Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making three flatbread appetizers, vegan, meat and vegetarian. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the meat flatbread. You'll need half a kilo of medium to lean beef mince, 1 green pepper diced, 1 red pepper diced, 2 small tomatoes diced, half a cup of parsley, 1 onion diced, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and some flatbread. These are the ingredients for the eggplant flatbread. You will need 1 small eggplant peeled and diced, 1 tomato peeled and diced, 3 sprigs of spring onion sliced, half a cup of fresh parsley chopped, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of citric acid, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1/4 cup of light olive oil, and some flatbread. For the cheese and Za'atar flatbread, you'll need some mozzarella cheese and a Za'atar blend with some flatbread. And this is how your eggplant, meat, and cheese and za'atar flatbreads should look like. Invite your friends and have a party. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!